Bitcoin price forecast, what Google searches reveal, and why there's no hype despite record highs. Adoption. Bitcoin. Market. Cryptonews analysis shows that volatility was especially high in the week with the strongest Google interest. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 15, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Bitcoin price is now just 5% below its all-time high, currently around $104,000. However, despite the massive rally in recent days and weeks, investors remain relatively calm. Why is this the case? And how closely are price action and search behavior actually linked? The answer is shown in a new infographic from cryptonews.com. In May 2021, Google search volume for the term Bitcoin reached its peak, with the Google Trend Score, which measures relative search interest, standing at 100, the maximum value. At that time, Bitcoin was priced at around $40,000. About a year later, the price had temporarily fallen to around $20,000. Yet search interest remained relatively high, with a trend score of 69. But the broader public appears largely unimpressed. The current Google Trend Score is just 36. Apparently, Bitcoin's price alone is not a reliable indicator of public interest on Google. Cryptonews analysis shows that volatility was especially high in the week with the strongest Google interest. Specifically, price swings within a few days reached 58%. However, the infographic also reveals that high volatility alone doesn't guarantee search interest. In May 2025, for example, volatility reached around 30%, higher than in January or November of the same year, yet search volume was significantly lower during May. While a direct causal relationship remains unproven, the interplay of Google searches, price trends, and volatility remains relevant, especially when looking for potential price predictors. Scientific studies suggest that increased search interest on Google can precede Bitcoin price moves. Analyses show that spikes in trend scores often occurred just before major price swings. Notably, when comparing different volatility forecasting models, the one based on Google Trends performed best, even outperforming traditional market-based approaches. The graphic illustrates how clearly the trend-based model offered the strongest explanatory power. Even if certain weeks, like May 2025, show a disconnect between high price levels and low search interest, long-term analysis tells a different story. Bitcoin price and Google searches strongly linked over 9 years, data shows. The correlation between Google search volume and the Bitcoin market is statistically significant over a 9-year span. As shown in the graphic, price, trading volume, and market capitalization generally rise with increasing search interest. So the apparent contradiction resolves itself as short-term exceptions are possible, but over the long term, the market often follows attention. Looking at global Google search volume for the term Bitcoin, El Salvador ranks highest with a trend score of 100, followed by Nigeria and Switzerland. Germany ranks 7th. Beyond public interest and short-term search trends, institutional investors are playing an increasingly central role in shaping Bitcoin's price. Especially since the approval of the first spot Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S., capital inflows from large asset managers have grown significantly. The development shows it's not just retail investors, but also pension funds, family offices, and hedge funds that are moving the market. The ETF inflow graphic underscores this trend and highlights how strongly institutional capital now contributes to price formation. Image source, Farside.UK. BTC holds strong but AI tokens seen as next big growth driver. While Bitcoin continues to dominate the crypto market in terms of capitalization, attention is increasingly shifting. Many market participants expect AI tokens to lead the next wave of growth in the crypto sector. The survey shows a clear trend. The focus is moving away from the classic store of value use case toward innovative applications involving artificial intelligence, with potential implications for capital flows and investment behavior, particularly among retail investors. The analysis shows that in the long run, Bitcoin's price tends to follow public interest, even if short-term deviations occur. Currently, the Google Trend score remains low despite high prices, a sign of a quiet market phase, in which widespread attention has yet to return. This may well be an ideal time to accumulate Bitcoin. Historically, such quiet periods have often preceded larger moves. Based on past patterns, this calm typically ends when new all-time highs are reached or volatility spikes, and Google searches rise again. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? 6 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 3 days ago, by Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH. SOL as holdings soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? 6 days ago, by Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025, by Medb Keely-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.